Happy birthday, Chelsea. I love you.
Happy birthday, Pookster.
Happy birthday, Chelsea.
Hey, Chelsea. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday, Chelsea. Happy birthday, Chelsea. Mwah.
Hey, Chels. Happy 18th birthday. You and I have been friends ever since I can remember, ever since Miss Broder's 5th grade class. Do you remember doing Grinch impressions and singing songs from Shrek? Because that is one of the funniest things I remember from that year. I know we kind of lost each other a little bit in middle school, but we're friends again. That's all that matters. I love you, Babs. Happy birthday.